BNN, Bloomberg's Equities reporter Stephanie Hughes joins us with a look into that. Steph, what's going on at Birchcliff?
Hey, Marella. So, yeah, shares of Birchcliff rose by over 14% at its highest point today. That was its biggest intraday gain in about 4 years. And this came after the energy company updated its guidance for the year ahead. It was also one of the top TSX performers, one of the bright spots in a market that ended in the red today. So it expects that its adjusted funds flow will reach $580 million. Now, that is about 100 million, over 100 million, I should say, higher than its previous guide. It's also expecting to see similar boosts in its free funds flow. On top of that, the high end of its net average production is also ahead of analyst estimates there. So the analyst community really saw this as a strong positive, leading to a few analyst upgrades from CIBC and Canaccord. It also got praise from National Bank analyst Dan Payne, who said the company's tailwinds to value are beginning to howl. So some colorful commentary there. He added that this was another positive update, reflecting the progression of the business and value resulting from this patient, kind of slow and steady approach. So this surge brought Birchcliff back into the green after shares were faltering earlier this month and in the back end of February there, Marella.
All right, let's look at Atkins Realis. That was another gainer today. What happened there?
Yes, it was a gainer until it wasn't. So Atkins Realis, it rose by nearly 7% at its highest point earlier today. And it ended up giving back all those gains as the trading day went on, slipping into the red a few times, played a little red light, green light in the last hour there, but managed to just eke out a gain before the market closed there. So a few things happening for the engineering contractor at the moment. And the first is its fourth quarter results. The revenue managed to come ahead of analyst expectations. The other part of it is the company announced that it would be selling its entire roughly 6.8% stake in the Highway 407 ETR to Ferrovial for about $2.8 billion. Scotiabank's Jonathan Goldman said the deal value equates to about $16 per share pre-tax. His team was expecting something closer to $12 per share, so a bit of a premium in his eyes, though National Bank said that outside of this 407 sale, this really wasn't a great earnings print for the company, as the lump sum turnkey contract provisions or the amount of money the firm sets aside for to complete a project at a fixed price kind of weighed on the results there, Marella. So lots going on, and basically ended the day where it started.
Okay, let's talk about First Quantum and get to that, because they're in the headlines after a decision by the Panama leader that's really helping them out.
Absolutely, yeah. So First Quantum, that stock was up over 15% at its highest point today. Because of that news that you pointed out, Panama authorized the first export of copper concentrate from First Quantum. So the Cobre Panama mine has been this ongoing issue for First Quantum since it was closed in late 2023. The stock slumped at the time and still hasn't fully recovered back to those levels, but it's on the upswing, and this boost is helping to get some recovery back into the stock price. And it finally looks like the investor and analyst communities are getting an answer to what this production would look like after past few quarters of uncertainty around what a restart in the mine in that region would look like. So finally getting more clarity on that, at least for today, and some comments earlier from the Panamanian president there. And yeah, that's what's giving a lift to First Quantum there, Marella.
Got it. Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes with the update on the Canadian situation. Thanks for that.